Ninth class maths question paper essay 1 2024-25. Now I am telling the key. Okay, find 256 to the power of 3 by 8 and 243 to the power of 3 by 5. See here, first we have to take first one. 256 to the power of 3 by 8. We have to take LCM of 256. First we will take with 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 will be remaining. The number will be 16. 2 8s are 16. Next 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Right. Next 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. 1 will remain. If we add 2 to 12, it will become 12. 2 6s are 12. Next 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. It means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 256. We can also write 2 to the power 8. Right. What they given? 256 to the power of 3 by 8 is also equal to 2 power 8 whole power 3 by 8. Right. Next, can I write 2 to the power 8 into 3 by 8? Then we can cancel 8 and 8. The answer will be 2 cube. What it means 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Answer will be 8. This is the first one. Next, second. 243 to the power 3 by 5. We can also write, you must take LCM of 243. See here, we can't take 2 table. Why? Because last digit is odd. We can't solve it with the 2 table. And if it is completely divisible by 3 means we can do LCM by 3. Let's check. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 will be divisible of 3. Then it will be completely divisible by 3. Then we can do LCM of 243 by using 3. Okay, next. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Next. 3 2s are 6. 2 will be remaining. 21 it will become. 3 7s are 21. Next. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 1s are 3. When the last will come 1, at that time we have to stop the LCM. Then can I write 243? 243 is also equals to 3 to the power of 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 3 to the power 5. Next, what the given question? 243 to the power of 3 by 5 is also equals to 3 to the power 5 whole to the power 3 by 5, right? Next, see here, 3 to the power of 5 into 3 by 5. In what base? You know, a to the power m whole to the power n is nothing but a to the power of m into n. Similarly, a to the power m into n. 5 5 will be get cancelled. 3 cube. What will be 3 cube? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Answer will be 27. Next, second question. Evaluate 102 into 98 using suitable identity. Suitable identity. See here, 102 into 98. Can we write, this is given one. Can we write as 102 100 plus 2 into 100 minus 2? Okay, this is in the form of, similarly in the form of a plus b into a minus b is also equal to a square minus b square, right? Similarly, a plus b into a minus b, we can write a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square, means 100 square minus 2 square. What is 100 square? 10,000 minus 4. 10,000 minus 4, 9,996 will be the answer. Simplify. Okay, this is the second question of 9th class maths essay 1 paper 2024-25. See here, guys, those who have problems, I mean questions, I can give solutions in my channel. If you want, you can message me through mail. My mail ID is nothing but suntutorial1gmail.com. Okay, suntutorial1gmail.com. You mail me, I will send the solutions. Okay, anybody you can ask a question through mail. Next question. Third question. Write any two postulates of Euclid. Okay. See here. You can write a straight line can be drawn from any point to any point. A straight line can be drawn, that only one postulate. A straight line can be drawn from any point to any other point, right? To any other point. A straight line can be drawn from any point to any other point. This is first postulate. Then second, a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius, right? A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A circle can be drawn with any center and with any radius. They asked to, we are giving to, right? This is the third one. Fourth one. Show that, so fourth one. Show that -3, 4 are the zeros of polynomial. P of x is equals to x squared minus x minus 12. Then we have to prove it. Okay. What the given P of x is equals to given P of x is equals to x squared minus x minus 12. They are asking to show that -3, 4 are zeros. Then we have to put P of -3. Okay, it means x is equals to -3. Where x is equals to -3, we have to put in polynomial -3 squared minus of -3 minus 12. See here, -3 into -2, minus into minus plus 3 square is nothing but 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus 3 minus 12. It means plus 12 minus 12, it will be 0. Then -3, P of -3 is 0. Okay. Similarly, P of 4, we have to check P of 4. This is first. P of 4 is nothing but 4 square minus of 4. Okay, minus 12. 4 square is 16. 16 minus 16 is equals to 0. Then what is the conclusion? -3, 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Okay, this is the fourth one. Next, fifth. In given figure, they're asking in
given figure, triangle ABC is also equal to triangle ACB. Prove that triangle ABD is equals to triangle ACE. See here, this is triangle ABC, this is E and this is D. What they are asking in given figure, angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. Prove that angle ABD is equals to angle ACB. Generally by seeing this, see here angle B, angle C, here angle B. Angle ABD and angle ABC are linear angles, right? Can we write angle ABD plus angle ABC is equals to 180 degrees? It means linear angles now. These two are linear angles. ABD, it means angle ABD and angle ABC is 180 degree. Similarly, angle ACB, angle ACE is also 180 degree. Angle ACB plus angle ACE is also equals to 180 degree. See here. Equation 1 is equals to 180. Equation 2 is equals to equal to 180. Can I write equation 1 is equals to equation 2? Angle ABD plus angle ABC is also equal to angle ACB plus angle ACE. Can I write it? See here, what they given by given angle ABC is also equals to angle ACB. They given this. Instead of ABC, I am writing ACB. See here, angle ABD plus angle ACB is equals to angle ACB plus angle ACE. See here, these two are equal. Then these two also equal, right? Then according to it, angle ABD is also equals to angle ACE. See here, what they asked, hence proved. They are asking angle ABD equal to angle ACE. Hence proved. Next. Sixth question. What they are asking? Complete the following table. They given one table. They are asking to complete it. Complete the following table. Please, those who are watching my videos, please make sure whether you clicked subscribe button and like button. Share to students those who need. Okay, this is a 9th class paper Maths Essay 1 2024-25 batch. Okay, if you want to send any questions, if you need any solutions, so please mail to this Gmail suntutorial suntutorial tutorial1gmail.com. This is my mail ID. If you send any question through this, I will upload the video required a solution. Okay, following table. What is the table? This is 192. This is serial numbers, and this is general form. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The given first question is x minus 4y plus 2 is equals to 0, and second is 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. They are asking a value, b value, c value. A value, b value and c value. See here, generally ax plus by plus c. This is standard form they given. Ax, there is no a. It means a is equals to 1. X coefficient is a. Okay. What is x coefficient? Nothing, means 1 into x now. 1 will be the a value. Here b will be. B value is 4, but here plus is there, here minus is there. B value is minus 4 and C is 2. Okay, similarly A is 2, B is 3, C is nothing, na 0. Okay, this is the ABC value. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel and also share to the friends, those who need it. I will soon upload the section 2. This is only section 1 from 9th class Maths Essay 1 2024 and 24.